Last period, we had the most. Last period, we had the most. Like,
get out the way.
Jeopardy game that gave us a pardon.
Bro, what the heck is homemade cooking upstairs? It smells so freaking good.
Magru, get out the way.
You wanna get some chicken video?
Okay, Scott, really?
Oh. Who is this? Not me. Who is this? Hey, you wrote it on a grid.
Scott, get out the way.
Sorry, I thought it was my pornography video here. So.
You know I was going on YouTube, right?
Oh, damn it. I want to edit that out.
That's so funny.
That's scary.
Everybody.
Barrett, is that you?
No, it's not you.
I think it's Clancy.
Bush! Turner! Clark, go back! Go scare Turner.
Turner already knows I'm here.
Yeah,
No,
Barrett's gay.
He forgot.
Get out the way.
Oh, why you have so much candy?
You guys want to buy candy?
I don't have money. I'm broke. This is Magru. Magru.
Who's this?
You
What is this?
That was a fail.